Cybersecurity refers to the tools and practices used to protect computers, networks, and personal data from online attacks. It focuses on defending information from hackers, viruses, and any form of unauthorized access. Today, with banking, studying, and shopping happening online, cybersecurity has become a crucial part of daily life. But it comes with challenges. Cyber attacks are getting more advanced, making them harder for experts to spot and prevent. Hackers are always finding new ways to break into systems, and security teams struggle to keep pace. Another issue is cost. Both companies and individuals often need pricey software and training to stay safe. In some cases, strong security measures can even slow down devices or systems less convenient to use. Cybersecurity is essential, but staying protected demands constant updates, effort, and awareness.
Global connectivity refers to the way people, businesses, and countries around the world are increasingly linked through technology, communication, networks, transportation, and trade. It means information, goods, and ideas can move quickly across borders, creating a more interconnected world. In the context of cybersecurity, this interconnectedness means that digital systems across different regions are tied together, allowing data to flow instantly but also creating shared risks. When networks are globally linked, a security weakness in one place can potentially affect systems in many other locations. It can also make countries more vulnerable to global problems such as cyber attacks or economic instability that spread quickly across connected systems. Because digital networks are interconnected worldwide, a cyber attack launched in one country can rapidly impact businesses, governments, or critical infrastructures in other. Malware, hacking attempts and data breaches can spread across borders instantly, showing how global connectivity not only brings opportunities but also heightens the need for strong and coordinated cybersecurity measures.
Ever wonder how your phone connects to a friend in other country? That's global connectivity, our world linked by the internet, making trade, communication, and learning easier than ever. Here's the catch. Every connection is a door. Cybersecurity is the lock that keeps those doors safe. When we are more connected, there are more doors for hackers to try and open, targeting everything from personal messages to global businesses. So global connectivity brings us together. But cybersecurity is what keeps that connection strong and safe. It's not just tech jargon. It's the shield that lets our connected world thrive.
In today's digital world, cybersecurity and global connectivity plays a vital role in shaping the future of the Philippines. As more Filipinos rely on the internet for banking, education, business, and communication, the country becomes more connected than ever before. But this rapid digital growth also brings new risks. Cyber threats like online scams, data breaches, and ransomware are becoming increasingly common. These attacks don't just target large corporations, they affect ordinary citizens, small businesses, and even government services. That's why strong cybersecurity isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Global connectivity brings incredible opportunities. It allows Filipino talent to work with companies around the world, support e-commerce growth, and help local communities access global markets. It also connects the Philippines to international partners who can share technologies, expertise, and best practices for securing digital systems. By strengthening our cybersecurity measures and embracing safe, reliable connectivity, the Philippines can fully participate in a global digital economy, protecting its people while unlocking new opportunities for innovation, growth, and progress.
Global connectivity has made the world more connected than ever, but it also amplifies cybersecurity risks that can spread across borders instantly, as digital systems and data breaches become harder to contain, making strong security tools and international cooperation essential to keeping the connected world safe.